Okay, just thought we'd do a quick video. Basically, what I'm going to show you quickly is how to access locomotives, carriages, wagons for maintenance. We'll just go through a few basics. Basically, all I'm going to show you is the fact that if you don't have any instructions with your loco or particular vehicle, this is just a quick rundown of the easier ways to access your trains. Usually with electrics and diesels and wagons and coaches, you will probably find that these types of bodies pop on and off roughly at the sides here. The tops will pop on and off. Usually the bogies will either be secured via lugs at the top, and they usually sit in the chassis in a particular way, so sometimes you can pop them off, usually by turning them to an extreme angle and then applying some pressure, like so. That's usually how you access, especially tow mix and cardo, that's usually the way it's done with the electrics. And for the bodies themselves, usually they will pop at the sides, thus giving you access to the motory goodness inside. That will usually cover most of your diesel and electric types. Sometimes they might have screws, sometimes especially on the older ones they will have screws to secure everything, but that's not normally the case. Now, I won't pull this one out fully, this is a steam loco, but usually with steam locos, because the parts here tend to be a bit more intricate and need to be accurate, you will find that these will more than likely have screws dictating how you access the particular mechanicals inside. So the screws will protect you from, accidentally messing up your timing of your valve gear, etc. Very important. So if you do need to maintain steam locos, be very aware that these are not as easy to access as, say, something like these. You can get devices where the timing of these particular valve gears can be arranged in a way that will help it work, but you will find that to access these you will need a mini screwdriver as such. That was just a short demonstration, it wasn't really anything sciencey. I haven't done a lot of late, so I thought I'd give you a quick demonstration of that. And then, using professional editing techniques, we move over here. Have a go at this. We've had a few weeks now with the virus lockdown. I've returned to work, but in the meantime I've managed to make things like grass and bushes appear on the layout using a static grass applicator for the grass itself, and then some undergrowth and bushes. As you can see, I've not gone too wild on the colours. We've not got fluorescent green, for instance. That's just a bit ridiculous. We've gone something a bit lighter and hopefully a bit more natural looking than the artificial fibres tend to give out in colour. I'll show you the static grass applicator. This is a Pico one, as you can see. It's literally just a basket sieve type deal. It runs on a 9-volt battery in there. You soak the ground and then you apply the electrode there to give you static charge. And by heck, it's really good. It's really fluffy to the touch. It's quite incredible. So I've had a good go with that. Look at that, I've got all up there done and in between the tracks as well. It's just fantastic. I'm glad we got a major step done. Hopefully soon we can replace some of these buildings that don't fit in, start getting buildings that are more appropriate, things about nature. So that's the video. We hope that was entertaining enough. We've also got some more stock. As you can see, we will bring out more stock as time goes on. I haven't rushed into making videos of that yet, but we will get there. So I thought I'd do a quick video on maintenance for those that need it, and just a quick layout update. I think that's pretty much all we need to cover today. So we'll see you soon in the next video. We'll probably do some more running videos with terrible music, which is tradition. Alright, we'll see you soon.